All right, so it's been maybe about 6 or 7 months since last time we moved any of these cars. Yesterday I was trying to make sure that I could dust them off, charge the batteries, and get them a little bit, on the side of running. So today I'll be taking them out. It's early in the morning, not too early, but early enough for us to be able to get them out without causing any issues with anybody as far as the noise. So I'll be starting off with the 53. So as you can see it there, that's a 53 Ford. Now we also have the Super Beetle. This is a 71. And we also have this, well, it's a Mercedes replica, but it's been quite changed a bit. So it doesn't look much like a replica no more. But anyways, I'll be taking them out right now, and hopefully you get to enjoy and hear the beautiful sound of these cars early in the morning, which who doesn't love that, right? Okay, so we'll start off with the first one, which is a Super Beetle, and the battery should be charged. Might need to pump it a little bit. Okay, we'll see. Come on. Very nice. Go to the next one. Got the Ford. All right, there we go. Pump it a little more. Since I'm already in this one, I'll be pulling it out. As you can see, it has a beautiful red interior. This has little flakes on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a very 50s diner style. Very comfortable, actually, very nice. But it is quite a lovely car. It sounds pretty good. Now this one has a 302, so still a little bit cold, but this one has a 302 actually off a Mustang. This is, I believe, from a 60, 68, 69, more or less. We wanted to go with the whole Ford theme. That's the reason why, we chose that car for this. I mean, that engine for this car. So, not too bad. But yeah, I think this is one of those great little cars that, it looks a lot better than it drives. That's for sure. The suspension is not the best. There's a lot of play in the steering wheel, which we're hoping to fix. And also the brakes. Yeah, I mean, with the, with the years, some of those brakes aren't as good as they used to be. So that's usually not a good thing. But the way it sounds though. I love that. I think it's ready. Go. Right. There we go. It's got that one right there waiting. There we go. I don't want to accelerate too much because it's got a very touchy throttle, and we start digging holes here on the driver. There we go. Look at that. Show you a little bit of it. Okay, we're now going back to the inside for the other one. Look at that. pretty sure that's first gear. Oh, there it is. So now we're going for the last one. All right, now this one usually we never struggle to turn it on. It's usually pretty good. That's the reason why I didn't try to turn it on beforehand. But as you can see, it's a very small car. This is still a Volkswagen, so it's still engine, transmission, suspension, everything the same. You know, but it has all these extra things, which I guess, you know, my dad likes it. It's a car that he doesn't feel afraid of scratching or hurting or anything, you know, because he knows it's a much less valuable car. It's a little hard to get in though. Yeah, especially if you have legs like me. Okay. Whew, okay, but now that we're in, we're in for good. Okay, so a little bit of throttle, and this one usually always cranks on the first try. There we go. Alright. I'm not trying to take it out so we don't get much of that smoke in here already. But yeah, beautiful car. See the mirrors are right there, so it's a little difficult to see, but you can barely see the mirrors, but they're heading out the right way. All right, not bad, not bad. I mean, I do feel pretty close to the ground. Not bad. Gotta keep an eye on the back. There we are. Now this one, surprisingly, even the steering is super light. I mean, I'm literally driving it with one hand, no power steering, but super easy to drive. There it is. And we'll leave them out here so the fumes stay out here and not in there. But it still sounds pretty good. I'll show you around right now. Okay, let me try and get out of here now. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, that's enough for right now. We don't want perfect. All right, why not? Usually this one also turns on quite easily. I haven't driven it in a few days, so we'll find out right now. Let's see. All right, let's give it a try. All right, so that's it for now. I am actually going to be working on that yellow truck right now. It looks like the oil pan is the one that's leaking, so I wanted to make sure that I took everything out so I have some space to work on. You can see, yeah, they keep dripping oil on the floor, and I don't like that. So I'm going to try and make sure that at least that one stops leaking oil, as well as the yellow car, so that way we can be much better shape. But yeah, that's about it for right now. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the cars that I have here. And well, if you guys want to see more, please comment down below and I'll clearly show you as much as you want of each and every one of those cars. So let me know which one you like the most and stay tuned.